Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to negative t. That's it from here. Because we have dt, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to s. So we just have only s. So this one we have number 1 with the negative. This one we don't have s. So when we do first the derivative, you got number 0. We have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to t. So this one we have negative number 1. And we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now we need to set up the function fst. So I will select about this one plus 3st. So the integration of t squared, we have t to the power of 3 over 3. The next one we have st. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to s. This one we don't have s, you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to negative t. And now we simplify for the both sides. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. And we have c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3st. 3st equal to c, so we put c in here. And this one equals to fst. fst equal to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.